Good morning students, welcome back to your class. Today we will discuss about the next question of exercise 5A, question number 9, simplify, using the concept of laws of exponent. Okay, so here first question is given, what 2 to the power 2 to the whole power 3 into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. Okay. So here you apply the rule power of power. A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m cross n. Use this rule to this. Okay. यहाँ पे ये rule use करेंगे आप. Clear? So apply here 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 3 to the power 2. So here you will get 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2. Now expand this. Okay, 2 to the power 6 means here 2 multiplied by itself 6 times. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 3 multiplied by itself 2 times. Multiply this. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 64, 2 is 128, 128, and 3 3 is 9. Again multiply. Okay, what you will get here? Multiply this. Here 3 2 is 6. So 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64. Sorry, 64. 2 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64. Okay. Okay. So here 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 is 64. Now here multiply, you will get 9 4 is 36, 3 carry. Okay, 9 6 are 54 plus 3 57. Okay, clear? Now we proceed to the next question. See here. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, so use here rule. First here you use what? A to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. Apply here. Okay. So here next you will get what? 2 to the power 2 plus 3 into 5 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. Here we get 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. Okay students, clear? Again see here 2 to the power 5 in numerator, 2 to the power 5 in denominator. So easily you can cancel out. Okay. Now what will remain here? 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 3. So you can write this 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now here you will use rule or laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. What? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Clear? यहाँ पे ये रूल यूज करेंगे. So apply here 5 to the power 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 1. That means 5. Okay students, clear? Same here, some more question given. One more question we will solve here. What? 6 1. Okay, 6 1 I will solve. See. Okay, 6th question. Next. Question number 6 of 9th. 9th, 6th part. See here, what is given? 9 6 part minus 3 to the power 3 into minus 2 to the power 5 into 7 to the power 2 upon minus 1 to the power 5 into minus 7 to the power what 2 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, so first here apply what? If any negative number having even power, so its value is always positive, and if any negative number having odd power, its value is always negative. अगर किसी नेगेटिव नंबर पे पावर इवन है तो उसकी वैल्यू ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगी, अगर किसी नेगेटिव नंबर पे पावर ऑड है तो उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा क्या होगी? ऑलवेज नेगेटिव होगी. सो यूज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो हियर सी negative number power odd, so its value is negative. Negative number power odd, so its value is negative again. Now here 7 to the power 2. Here negative number power odd, so its value is negative. Negative number power even, so its value is positive. Now to the power 5. Now here minus into minus, it becomes plus. So here 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5 into 7 to the power 2. Here 1 to the power 5, 1. Okay, we know that we will 1 multiplied by itself. How many times? It always becomes 1. So here 1 and here we will write minus sign. This minus here. Now 7 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 5. Again see here 2 to the power 5 to the power 5. In both terms this is common. So I cancel out. Okay. 7 power 2, 7 power 2 is also common. Cancel out. So what will remain here? Minus 3 to the power 3. Okay. So answer is what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. So answer is minus 27. Clear students? Okay. Now we will proceed to the next question, 10th one. Next 10th. Tenth question given again. Simplify. Okay. What is given? First. Here given first question 6 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. Now you can write this 6 into its prime factorization. What? 2 into 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. Now apply here rule. What? This rule. A into b to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. Use this rule here. यहाँ पे ये अप्लाई करेंगे लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. सो यू गेट हियर इन न्यूमरेटर क्या मिलेगा आपको यहाँ पे 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay, clear? Now what you will write? 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3. So you can write this 2 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Okay. Now see here 2 to the power 4 to the power 3. So you get here using this rule. Okay. 4 minus 3 into 3 to the power 4. So here remain 2 and here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So what is the answer here for that question? This question 10th first one. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81. 2 into 81. So 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 2 8 are 16. Okay, clear? Now one more question we will discuss in this question. Last part, fourth part. Okay, students. See here one more question. Fourth part of 10. What is given? 15 to the power 2 into 12 to the power 3. 12 to the power 3 upon 18 to the power 2. Again, just you write all these into its prime factor power. Okay, prime factor power. So here 3 into 5 to the power 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 to the power 3. Now here you can write what? Here 18. So 3 into 3 into 2 to the power 2. Now again apply this rule. Again apply this rule in all these terms. यहाँ पे तीनों पे अप्लाई करेंगे, ये रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. So here you get what? 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Okay? ये रूल अप्लाई किया, पावर सब पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. Here now see 3 to the power 2 here, 3 to the power 2 here. Cancel out. Okay? No more cancel out. So we solve this one. 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 to the power 3. You apply this rule here. This rule you will apply here. Okay? Base same, power will be added. So 2 to the power 3 plus 3 into 3 to the power 3 upon here 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Okay? So here you can write 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Okay? Now here this base same, 2 and 2 same base. So apply this rule. A power n divided by a power n. So here you can write 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6 minus 2 into 3 to the power 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So what will be here? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4, 6 minus 2, 4 into 3 to the power 1. Okay? Now here I am solving. Space not there. What? 5 into 5 into 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So multiply this. What you will get? Last answer is 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 52 ja 100, 102 ja 200, 22 ja 400. Okay? 400 into 3 is equal to 1200. Okay, students? Clear? So in this way you will solve the question number 9 and 10. Next two questions remain in this exercise 11 and 10. We will discuss in next class. Okay, students? So try to solve these questions. Okay, you have any doubt, you can ask the subjective teachers. Okay, clear? Thank you, students. Have a nice day.